Hey, you. Yes, you. The one sitting on your gifts, your ideas, and wisdom the world needs. If you've ever thought, I should create a course, this is your moment. You don't need to be techie. You don't need a huge following. You just need to start. And tomorrow, my mentor is hosting a free live webinar that will show you exactly how, step by step, you'll learn how to turn your zone of genius into a course, a membership, heck, a movement, and yes, real income. The best part, he built a full platform that does it all. He hosts your courses and your community. It creates your own CRM and automation, funnels, emails, websites, text marketing, AI that helps you build faster and smarter, social media scheduler, storefront, and analytics. And if all that sounds way too complicated, it's okay because he's designed it to be simple so you can scale quickly, but stay focused on your purpose while everything else is happening in the background. This could be the missing piece to finally get your idea out into the world. So don't let another year go by wondering, I wonder if. We don't want regrets. So register now. It's free, it's informative, and it's tomorrow. It might just change your life. And if you can't be there tomorrow, still sign up because you'll get the replay and you really don't want to miss this information. Link is in my bio to save your seat, or it could be in the captions below. Just check around. I can't wait to see you there.